Are you looking for the best 3-channel amp? In this video, we will break down the top 6 3-channel amps on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1, JL Audio 3CHANNEL Amplifier. The product is the XD Series Class D amplifier for channels 1 and 2 with different power ratings and with unregulated MOSFET switching type power supply. The amplifier works on 4-inch round speakers and of course, offers a superlative quality output of sound. On the one hand, designed to connect 2 speakers and a subwoofer, these 3-channel car amplifiers can support a low impedance load. They often include additional features, for example, a low-pass filter and bass sound adjustment. On the other hand, 4-channel alternatives can be used for the same purpose as well. However, a 3-channel car amplifier is better because it allows delivering greater power per channel. At number 2, JL Audio 3CH Amplifier. It is simply a perfect amp for under the seat in your standard cab pickup where there is only a door speaker set up and powering a matching JL Audio PowerWedge TW3 10 inches sealed enclosure. Unfortunately, the amp is sensitive to various inputs, FM radio, aux input, CD, where you may want to either tone down the bass, or add more. This is an amazing quality amplifier. It sounds really good and does not distort at all. It works perfectly with the balanced differential output from my BMW head unit. The amp is incredibly small, making it easy to mount anywhere. The ability to independently set cutoff slopes, frequencies and gains between each output is very welcoming. By the way, the only drawback is this amp does not have a subsonic filter. You have to get a higher model for that feature. At number 3, JL Audio 3CHANNEL Amplifier. This 3-channel car amp features the next ultra-high frequency switching amplifier design. Basically, what that means is a special circuit. The latter allows M500 thirds to stay incredibly compact but deliver lots of power at the same time. Also, this best 3-channel amplifier is famous for its excellent sound quality. Another great feature of M500 thirds is the already known advanced thermal rollback protection. This function is all about keeping your amplifier on, no matter how long you have been listening to music in your vehicle. With this feature, you won't be annoyed when your audio system cuts off because the amplifiers got too hot. In addition, all the metal on this 3-channel car amp is specifically designed for the marine environment. For instance, the product includes specific screws, compression fittings, etc. The metal itself is treated to ensure that it's reliable in the marine environment. Moreover, this model also has a fully adjustable electronic crossover. It possesses the selectable 1-2 dB per octave. Of course, such an important element as inputs is specially engineered for the marine environment as well. Besides, the control panel is housed underneath a gasket and aluminum cover. At number 4, Massive Audio 3-channel Stable Amplifier. This is a great 3-channel amp for those who need some serious power. It is rated at a peak power of 2080 at 1 ohm over 3 channels. This 3-channel dual power supply amplifier consists of 2 speaker channels and a mono channel. Also, it drives over 200 watts of RMS for the speaker channels and 800 watts for the mono channel. This amp has a slew of protection mechanisms such as thermal, overload, and speaker short protection to make sure that nothing breaks when you overdrive it. Finally, the inputs and outputs are all extremely durable and have a much harder time going through rust and corrosion compared to other brands. At number 5, KENWOOD Power Amplifier. Its strength is one of the most important and main features. The maximum power of this product is 800 watts. This 3-channel car amplifier is reasonably one of the cheapest devices available on the market. All things considered, for money spent, it sounds really great. Also, this device belongs to the AB class amplifiers. This feature means the product is a great combination of efficiency as well as performance. The amplifier is equipped with the red triangle power indicator light, so you'll be always aware of the device's preparedness to work. It has built-in low-pass and high-pass filters, aimed at improving the quality of sound transferred. With the help of these tools, you can measure what frequencies should pass through. You can customize these filters anywhere from 50 to 200 Hz. It is convenient to use since it has all the connections on one side. That's why the installation won't become a real pain to any user, regardless of skills. All in all, it is definitely worth considering as a match to your vehicle's audio system. At number 6. Taramp's 3 channels full range amplifier. This is a great 3-channel amp that is really designed for the extreme super savers out there who won't spend more than a few bucks for an amp. This amp is the lowest we will go in price without dipping into junk amp territory. This really is the entry-level 3-channel amp for those who really need the price to be just right. The fact that this 3-channel amp pushes 390 watts peak or around 200 watts RMS at 4 ohms. For most people, this is good enough to drive some small speakers. Anyway, one of the biggest complaints about this 3-channel amp is that it doesn't have high or low pass filters or even a channel gain. All it has is a silly bass boost button.